If I win, Beaks has to sleep. Okay, fair enough. Oh god, what have I done? What? Can't wait till I unlock point redeem stuff for my streams. I gotta plot some fun ones like all you cool kids use. Yeah, dude. Oh, Tomatoes won. Beaks, looks like you gotta go sleep or Tomatoes is gonna make you into a salad. That sounded better in my head.
Just a flesh wound.
'Tis indeed just a flesh wound, Jagan. Alright, so let me take image reference. Literally none of these are like how I'm imagining it though. Actually, this one is. Night Beaks, you just threatened to toss Beaks a salad? I didn't, but Tomatoes did. Nah, Tomatoes cheated. He can't be trusted. Oh, come on. Oh, Tomatoes took that personally. Love it. Alright. Alright, well, let's do this then. Let me actually, can I grab this? And I'm gonna duplicate this, separate it. And this is gonna be... Uh-oh. I forgot that that's angled. I do like this. And duplicate it, separate it. And I go in here and I dissolve the edges again. Okay, so then that, yep, okay. So this'll be the line that they repeat along. I'm gonna try and do an array along a curve. So it basically copies a number of a mesh along a curve. Can't fight! Grab spray bottle. It happens, no worries. Yeah, they're just playing. 9-barrel shotgun to the wind? Hey, yeah, Yetis, no. Give it out shotguns.
When we didn't have water in the village, we had barrels filled with water that was heated from the sun, so we just had a big scoop and you just pour it on yourself. And we did that outside in the yard. I miss when flashing your sack was legal.
Was that in Baba's village? Okay. I don't know if that's an actual thing or not. Yes, what actually? You actually did that? Okay, well, I guess it was a different time, and you were younger back then, I suppose. It is really frosty? Oh my god. Oh geez, alright, well, fair enough. I guess it is indeed. Alright, so let me take this, and this will be the spotlight. Nope, it's called headlights. I'm gonna call it spotlights because headlights makes me think of a vehicle. So, spotlight array curve. We had no water, so we had to shower with water from the barrels. Really? Is that or shower in the river? Jesus, man. Dang. That's crazy. Boom. Bunch of cheaters. Okay. Jeez. Tomato can't catch a break. Okay, so it looks like it has... It's on a swivel. So if can I grab one of these edges like, what would be front facing? It'd be this one. Sure. I'll grab you. You will be the start. Let me actually, can I set origin to geometry? And then grab this and I'll snap the cursor to there. So that'll be where the first light starts, and then I can array it around in a circle. Alright, so it's like... There's a base... me see, what scale does it need to be? Like that, maybe? Like 2.5 or a 3 or a 3.5? What about a 4? 4 is too big. Okay. So 0.35 works. This will be spotlights. Gotta go have fun building your nightclub. Thank you for that, Goltari. Take care. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day or night, wherever you be in the world. And we'll see you again, dude. No worries. Both of you will pay once Mags leaves her chair. Oh. Tomatoes. Behave. Behave. Please. You're supposed to make people feel welcome, not terrified. Okay, so it starts like this, and then it's got 5. So 14. Let me actually write that down. Ugh. So it is a 14 angle on the x-axis. 14-degree angle x-axis for the spotlights. There we go. That. Sure. Crappy drawing is crappy. Just wait till you fools drunk on power. What in mess in chat? Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Just wait, you fools. Tomatoes, stop it. In my defense, tomatoes, I never win anything. Like me. Num num num. Okay, so let me just undo that while I model it. Maybe I won't do lights on every single column, because there's like 32 of these, I think. 32 faces around the bring. Can I do the array? Nope. Okay. Type it in, be spotlight array curve. So it uses a what? No. Array around a how do I what? Why is it not? Ah, fit curve. There it is. Wrong setting. That's fine. I forgot. Oh, I need to convert it to a curve. God, never mind. Convert to curve. Go back here. What? What? Why? What? Hold on. What? It's not right. Like how you speed read, have to make up a weird chaotic sentence in your head. I'm trying to focus, but also read chat, and so I'm using what brain cells I have left. Not points, I forgot the commands. Suck it? Okay, Beegs. Why is this not repeating? It's not fitting properly? Jest tylko pociąłem любовь моя. That doesn't matter. Big, stop it. Hey, Captain Coder, how you doing today? Try to figure out why this curve is not curving. Why curve no curve? Extrude, that shouldn't matter. Offset doesn't do anything. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday to you as well, Captain Coder. I don't understand curves. I don't work with curves enough to truly understand why it isn't working. Well, today I hope you're doing well. I'm doing very well. Your love is very big. I've just enough space for it. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe... Hold on. If I do a constant offset instead of a relative offset... If I have them both on, that sort of works, but it's still not going around the curve. That is bizarre. Glad to hear it. Hell yeah, man. Just try to struggle with this mesh. I guess I don't.
Hello there.
I don't get it. I don't get it. Ravioli, welcome to the what? Welcome to the follow. My brain's working just fine. Why do you ask? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. There, that's how it's supposed to be. Hope you're having a fantastic day, dude. Let me just hide that for now since it's not working and I don't get why. Catman to house. Yes, my beer can do that. Hold me. Okay. This is my experience using Blender. What is? Woo! Oh goodness. Dude, that looks awesome. I love that. I like it. Okay, so 14-degree angle on the x-axis, but first I need to finish modeling the spotlight, so... This... It seems to have a cradle that it, like, has a base, it's like a claw arm, and then the light suspended in the middle. Alright. So let me do this. You a 0.5? More than that? 0.7? 0.75. Okay, and then I can extend it like that to a 3. Okay, okay. If I extend it out like that to 0.5, that might be too much. Yeah, that might be too much. That's not enough. How about 35? Seems to be the magic number that I've been doing this whole time. 35 is fine. Wow. 35 really is the magic number today, huh? Today's live stream is brought to you by the number 35. It 1. It 2. You really think I'm going all the way to 35? You're crazy. I don't know what that was. My brain cells are dwindling, so my ADHD is just going haywire. I'm back. Welcome back, Hopium. All right, so let me see if I not like that. You get to 35. It is inevitable. That sounds like a threat, Beaks. Can't stay young forever. Hey, listen, I can dream, okay? Don't remind me of my own mortality. How dare you? I don't like that, actually. I'm lurking. No worries, Opium. No worries. Alright, hold on. Let me just hide... Nope, hide this. Let me see if I can... I have it selected? I do. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna do the mirror method. Yo, gamer!
Thagamer underscore with 100 bits says, guys, I don't think Mags can count to 35 CBC sus.
Hey, I can. I just don't want to. There's a mirror there. Okay, so grab this, go to edge. Still selected? Yes, okay. I'm turning 18 this year, so yes, you can. A happy early birthday, Coder. That reminds me, I gotta make a note. Citadel accidentally read security chief as secretary chief, and now there'll be a secretary chief room on my VBE space station with the name Fractured Fortress under it, as a play of his name, Crack Citadel. Oh, that's cool. I like that, Lily. That's very sweet. I like that. Okay, so if I then extrude this and actually no, hold on. Can I as if nope, that wouldn't be the way I do it. Let me think, what would be the way to do this? Alright, I know how to do this. If I do it so I can see it, preferably. Point 1. And now it'll be room 35. God dang it, Lily. Fair enough. Don't feel bad, I can only count to 21 on my hands and feet. Well, that's fair enough. Wait a minute. Okay, fair enough. So then this will go this way. 0.25, and then that'll connect. So connect to there. And deleting that edge. Okay, how about the vertices? That works, okay. The same thing on this side. He's like this. You're... Okay. If that's a face, then that face is flipped, because I can't see it from this. Ha! I'm so good. I knew it. Flip. Flip, flip. Flip, flip. There we go. Those are facing the right way. Now, I'm suddenly not sure about the shape. If I make this a little bit thinner. Yeah, that's better. I'm not sure about it meeting all the way at the edge. Take a look at my image reference again. Yeah, no, that's a flat edge. It's basically half a hexagon. Alright, so
Hello
this
there.
would be, Dathical, welcome in. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to the grid. Extrude this out this way. How much would that be? 1625? No? What? Huh? Why? What? Okay, let me do it this way, I guess. Good day, all. Hey, Perseus, welcome in, dude. How you doing? Okay, so then... Huh. So that would actually be at 0.5? Alright, just settle and do some work. Looks like we're getting some lights sorted. Yeah, we're making some club lights for the nightclub right now. Which actually I should probably change the title to reflect that, I just realized. Lighting up my nightclub. Got to change that. Okay, so this would be 0.5. Yeah. So I could get rid of those edges. Actually, yeah. Clean this up a little bit like this. Nope. Yeah, that works. Do that like that. Thank you for lurk, Thor the Norwegian. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Just clear this up. Do the same thing I did on the bottom side. That actually is not looking too bad if I say so myself. Alright, and then the light goes in the middle. And it's supposed to be able to swivel around. So... yeah, okay.
Greetings, user Joker_og.
Hey Joker, welcome, welcome, welcome in. Hope you have a fantastic day. What are we making today? Making some club lights. Some lights for my nightclub. In my grid, but I'm not 100% sure of the shape. Trying to think how to make the actual light part, because there are some of the lights that swivel like 360. Well, not 360, but they swivel like up and down and to the side. But this one would probably swivel up and down. And if this is going, let me think for a minute. Yeah, okay, that'll work. Because if it's all around, then it'll technically still light up the entire nightclub, just from different angles. They'll all be pointed in different directions. Yeah. I like that idea. Okay. I still gotta figure out why it's not curving around the curve, but... I knew Thor had an ult. Thor's not Norwegian! Like, Pirate Software is not Norwegian. That's not our Thor. That's not the Thor. But I hope he has a good day regardless with the lurk. We got ads planned about a minute, so I'll pause for people to add so nobody misses anything. That's the perfect cover. What? What do you mean? I don't get it. Okay. I know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm also gonna apply this first. And let me just do mixture cleanup. Okay. And delete loose. One edge. Okay, see, this is why I do this. That's a perfect cover. God dang it, guys. Heathen gamer.
This stream was made possible by viewers like you.
Just save and keep it here during ads so nobody misses anything. Not that anything is happening, but just in case. I love my music. I need water. Crap. Want to see every polygon made? There's a lot, dude. I'll show you. Let me, during ads, I'm actually gonna get some more water. Fill up the canister. Be right back. Okay. So, you really want to see every single polygon made, gamer? Because there's not that many as of yet, but it's still fairly simplistic. I guess I'm just kind of still blocking out how I want the shape to do, and I'll add the details once I get a handle on how I want the light to look. But for now, it's a good start to the base, but now I gotta make the lights.
Insert cream a lot says 1 is moose.
Uh.
Okay. 2 is also moose. Not okay.
Huh?
Babe, I found
What?
a description for Magamoose.
Okay.
Magamoose are the largest members of the Magadeer family, standing 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall from hoof to shoulder, and weighing in at more
Jeez.
than 1,000 pounds.
Oh, let me look this up. That's an actual thing? Magamoose? It's not an actual thing. How dare you? Making me look it up to verify and find out you're wrong. It's pulling my leg. Alright. So let me... snap to here. This could be where the light goes. And I said Magamoose. I meant you. Oh. Description for Magamoose. The largest members of the Magadeer family, standing 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. I'm 1.78, not 1.8. I'm 178.2 centimeters, not 180. There's only one Magamoose on this mega planet. Okay, Steph. Vujampe. So... yeah. Jeez. Let me slide this down. Wait, is correct though? Huh? What? Weighing it at more than— Hey! Everyone write something we can bury the sentence. Steph? Seriously? Stokabe. Come on, dude. Do not weigh 1,000 pounds. Maybe a tiny bit more. Like that. It's the height. 1.8. I mean, I wish I were 1.8 meters tall. I am 178.2 centimeters tall, which is close, but not close enough to be 1.8. So I need this to rotate like that without... Okay, I need it to rotate without hitting the base. So that would hit... Make it smaller? I need to somehow make it smaller. It sticks out more, doesn't it? Alright. First thing I need to do is rotate it horizontally. I need to face horizontal, not up. Be a good first step. You know what I was saying earlier, guys, about the 35 being the magic number? Never mind, it's still not enough. 1. Is that enough? Rotate it along the X. It does still hit. Alright, so let me do like this. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 5, because then that'll make it 25 total. No longer hits. Okay, perfect. That'll be where it placed. Let me think. Something like that. That's good. I want it to be big enough that it's believable that it's spinning on some kind of base anchored through the camera and the tripod without actually seeing it. You know, I don't want to have to model it. Does it still pass without collision? It does not. God, okay. Another 25. 25. Does that fit now? Nike Aries, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Dude or dudette. Okay, that awesome. Okay. That is how it'll be if I don't sneeze. Okay, so we have our spotlight. So this will be the spotlight base. And this will be the actual spotlight. So now I can actually start fiddling around with the shape, making it creative. Oops, sorry, wrong. I do that sometimes. I forget which program I'm in and I hit Control Save and hitting Control S in OBS full sizes whatever window you have selected, and I always have my webcam selected. I forget sometimes. Okay. Let me actually hold on. Let me do like that. And actually, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna set the origin to the geometry, and then I'm going to delete these two edges because then I can mirror it. It's that way? Is it not? Why is it not mirroring? It should be mirroring properly, but I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, because it counts as Z. Right, okay, let me set the rotation. Okay, that was my problem. I forgot to set the rotation. So now if I select Y, haha! Alright. So now, customizing the shape. Like that, like a 925. You'll do the same thing to there. No, that's actually good like that. Okay. Testing out collision. Still good? Still good. Okay. Bring it up. Can I bring it closer by a 1.5 it doesn't hit? I can't tell actually. Ooh, that's might be close. Oh yeah, no, that's actually still good. Ha ha ha. Okay. So now... Okay, now comes the tricky part, which is modeling the actual spotlight itself. Could I... Hold on. Make a backup of this just in case. All this spotlight back up. And I'll make a loop cut here, make one here, here, size these down like that. Not quite so much. I don't know if I like that. No, I don't like that. Hold on. Let me try something. If I size this down like a 925 like that. That I like better. Okay, it looks a lot smoother like that actually. Actually do the same thing on the other side. 925. No, that wouldn't really make sense. Because that's not going to be the side that the spotlight comes out of, so it wouldn't need to be that smooth. Let me think. Okay, yeah. I think the overall shape like that is fine. Take you far, I'll set you free. Away from the primitive functions with just one choice. Away from all the noise. What you making now? I had AFK suddenly. Lights? Yeah, Dragon. Welcome back. I'm making the lights. I'm making the nightclub lights. They're gonna go in this ring here. They're gonna be Unreal Engine is lagging. Okay. Basically gonna be there's gonna be probably 16. I'm not gonna put them on every single face, but because there are 13 faces around this ring. There's gonna be lights on every other edge, and they're gonna be shining different colors around the place. So that will be quite fun. So now if I let me think. I would inset by how much would be too much? 1.5? 1.5. Yeah, okay, that's a good number. Sweet. Hell yeah. It'll be sweet. I can already imagine making the blueprint for it and have it like because how I'm planning on having it is when the song changes, all of the lights will also alternate colors. So not only be, you know, bouncing around, shining a light everywhere, but basically when the song changes, like a light that was shining blue will change to like, say, yellow, you know, and they'll be like interchanging colors every now and then. This would be awesome. That's the plan, at least. I'll see how well I can achieve that when I start making the blueprint function. So let me see how much I could inset it by, like a 1.5. Okay. And that'll be, I don't know if I like that. Open up my image reference again. Why did I close that? Oh, interesting. Okay, so the image I was using for reference, it doesn't really have, well, yeah, okay. No, yeah, I would inset it, but then it also has, interesting. So it's got kind of like something like this, but then it comes out. And then it goes in again. Alright, and then it goes in again like that. Okay, I see. I get it, and this would be the light inside here. That actually looks a lot cooler too. Yo, okay. Fair enough. Try an auto smooth? Yeah. That would be that would be how I do it. That looks super, super cool. I like that a lot. Okay. Almost looks like a propane tank, but hey, let's not think about that. Alright, so if I should make this outer part thinner, because it's not that thick in the image. Alright, let me try insetting a little smaller, like 2.5, and then Y 3.5. Maybe not that much either. I'll do like, try a 2.5. Eh, still feels like too much. 2. 2.5 seems good. I can adjust it as need be if when I import it into Unreal Engine, it might need size adjustment later on. I can do that if need be. Looks slick. I like it. Thank you. Thank you, Dragon. I don't use my, you know, I don't get to model, or I don't really have a reason to model such complex objects sometimes, but it works. If you want a good ref, look up images of a color key mover beam. What is a color key mover beam? Color key mover beam? Ooh, yeah, that would be a similar thing. I had been using this as an image, like this image here. This was what I was using. I don't know specifically what kind of technology it is. It's from a LinkedIn page. But this was what I was using as image reference. I really like the shape of it. Like, it's kind of like got. Oh, wait a minute. The outer edge also has curve. Ooh, I gotta fix that. The outer edge of the arms also have a curve that goes. All right, hang on. DMX controlled lighting? Yeah, Razor. Let me see if I can. Can I clip that from here? I can't. Okay. I'm gonna do this the easy way again and keep it like this. I'm gonna put the mirror modifier back on this so I don't have to model both sides specifically. But if I grab this, bring this way, what would that be, like a 5? What would I... don't forget the second rotation axis. That's what I was thinking of earlier, photo style, if I wanted the second rotation axis, or if it would just be vertical. Like, extending up and down, or like this, but I don't think... These won't be the only lights in the nightclub, so as it is now, I might not actually have the second rotation axis, I'll just have the one. That's why I always used Maya 3ds Max. Blender made me break a few keyboards? Why? I really like Blender. I don't know how you'd break a keyboard at it. Works better than the stickers and markers. Oh wait. Sketchfab for the win. I used to upload on Sketchfab, but I don't anymore. I'm just so used to making my own models, honestly. Okay, so what happens if I... Okay, I was afraid of that. Grab these, grab this, and if I delete that edge... Yep, I was afraid of. Okay. That's interesting. Uh-huh. Okay, I see what's happening here. Yep, okay. I did not do that right the first time. Will it be able to rotate properly? It will. I was testing it out while I was making it, I was testing out to make sure that it would be able to rotate up and down without like hitting itself on the base. And as far as I can tell, it will be fine. But I will do a final check before I import it into Unreal Engine. Because Blender is so damn annoying. I don't find it annoying. The last time I used Blender was like 2.0. Yo, it's on 4.0 now. I would recommend you give it another try, Auntie. But I will say I'm heavily biased. I've been using Blender for about... I want to say well, more than 2 years. It'd be like... Oh my god, wait a minute. It's been like almost 4 years now. I've been using it since I think 2.7? 2.8? I think it was 2.7 because that was before like presets. It was when like changing the look of Blender was still a paid feature. So yeah, 2.7 I think was when I started using Blender, and they've come so far. There's been so many improvements, changes. They've completely reworked the geometry node system. The hair, hair particles are completely different now. Like they've improved so much. It's practically not even the same program. Like, I'm not even kidding. I highly recommend you give it another try. So much has changed since then. Let me see. Hello, friend. Hey, Murder. Welcome in, dude. How you doing? What are you making? I am making a nightclub light. And by that, I mean I am making, like the rotating lights that you see in like the tops of nightclubs and stuff. I call it spotlight because that's what I've been calling it, but it's just like a rotating light. It's colored light. Welcome back to Nana. What happened to Spotty Mags? I washed off the makeup because I didn't like it being on my face. Rip Dalmatian Mags. It didn't last that long to even need a grave or any kind of remembrance. Gotta dust off my Blender. I highly recommend it, Dragon. For anyone who wants to learn Blender or get better at Blender, I highly recommend going back to the Blender donut tutorial, because even I go back to the Blender donut tutorial from time to time, and I always find myself making a new donut. Like, just to, you know, refresh my skills on Blender, you know, make sure that I have a handle on, like, the modifiers, the basic shortcuts, you know, and just kind of like a refresher. Blender Guru teaches you a lot, and a lot of things that I still use, so it is extremely helpful. I highly recommend it for beginners, intermediates, combined, you know, experts. You might not need it, but, you know, it's one of those things, so.
Hello there.
I'm in a project management class for school, so I don't have time for side projects. Oh, Murda, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. Hope your project management class goes well, though. That sounds exciting. Sounds interesting for sure. Project management. What kind of project? I'm curious. What projects do you manage? I get that way sometimes. I wake up really wanting makeup, then I painstakingly put it on, then it has to come off. I don't ever wear makeup. I don't like wearing makeup. Last time I wore makeup, I was in the 7th grade. And my makeup phase was very short, but I was putting on like, I was like dotting on makeup, like tracking dots for the photogrammetry. And then I realized how dumb that was. That probably was not the method I should be doing it with, so I didn't. And, let's just say when Husbando gets home, I'm gonna give it another try. We're gonna go out and take the camera out into the sunshine, as we should have done probably a long time ago, and give my face a proper scan in actual sunlight, so see if that is what we've been missing the entire time. Because I don't know if it's the camera, the lighting, or what, but up until now, I have not been able to get a proper photogrammetry, like photo scan of my face to put on a metahuman. Which is... you'd think it'd be easy. It's not. So, it's a trial and error, and all I've had up until now is error. And Avilis, welcome. I almost said welcome to the follow again. My brain running faster than my mouth can keep up. Welcome to the grid. Thank you for the follow. Hope you had a fantastic day. Or learn it from Udemy. I assume you're talking about Blender. Well, not everybody can pay for an Udemy course. Udemy is certainly a way to learn. I personally, when I started learning Blender, I didn't have the funds to be able to pay for an Udemy course. If you have the funds, go for it. You know, there's plenty of really good Udemy courses out there. But I personally could not afford an Udemy course, so I just, you know, Blender Guru was the next best thing, and it was awesome. His tutorials are amazing. He's really good at, like, explaining, you know, the basics, you know, why this is, you know, why this modifier does this, you know, how he really goes in depth. It's very, very good explanation style. I was trying to model a mushroom, it didn't work right, and then I was making an interactable door to try and put into Unreal, but when I was doing that, they didn't play well. They didn't play together as well. Alright. It's booty. It's like learning how to do scrum and crap. I hate it. It's slowing down my momentum. Oh, okay. Fair enough, Murda. I get you. Well, I hope it goes well regardless. I hope you learn some fun stuff. Did the high setting on that ring light not do it? I thought it would. Perseus, but I tried it. It just still wasn't doing it. Just don't beat yourself up, ma'am. It was looking good there on that last one. That wasn't even the last one. That's, that was, I think, my second attempt, technically. That was the second attempt of the second attempt. And I still wasn't satisfied with it. The problem with the photogrammetry, it seems to have trouble getting my eyes and my chin. Like, because I think I need more footage from underneath, like, showing what my chin, you know, how my chin connects with my jaw and all that, so. You avoid direct sunlight. Soft light is best as a prevent hard shadows. So if you're outside, overcast is best. It's fairly sunny outside right now. Fortunately, there's not a single cloud in the sky. Unfortunately, let's wait for a deal. Plenty of times they drop down to $10. Just keep an eye out. I still wouldn't be able to afford it, or like back then I wouldn't have been able to. Now maybe, but back then when I wanted to learn, I wouldn't have known. I learned a ton Blender from the Born CG YouTube channel. Yo, PhotoStyle, hell yeah, Born is awesome. I love his videos. So, I think that's good. At least to test with. Yeah. Hey, Code Beetle, welcome, welcome. You should create the cat's overlay chat interaction yourself. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. No, Code Beetle. This is Stream Avatars. It's on Steam. Really helpful software. But the cats themselves, I did make. I made with pixel art, and my partner helped me with the animations. But because I wanted to have like some kind of stream cats, and there was no available cats like asset pack, so I made them myself. But they will soon be replaced with like something Tron themed. So I haven't quite decided what yet exactly, but something 3D, interactable, and gonna be in Unreal Engine, probably. Nice, well done. Well, thank you. That's very sweet of you to say. One reason to avoid harsh direct lighting for photo scanning is the work you'll have to do to fix shadows on the textures. That's the fun part, PhotoStyle. Textures don't matter. Like, textures wouldn't matter. Because when I was importing the you know, it's only the shape itself that matters, the mesh itself that matters, because when you import it into basically the form that it imports into MetaHuman as has no texture. Like, it basically all it needs is the shape, because I can show you guys if it opens. Take a minute, but it basically converts to a skeletal mesh with no textures, and it has like basic like developer textures like over the essential areas. Like it marks out like where your cheeks are, you know, your eyes, your eyebrows, your chin, your jaw, etc. It basically kind of blocks out where those areas are based on the mesh that you kind of use, because you take the face mesh that you have and you import that into a MetaHuman identity, and then you do an identity solve, which it kind of generates where basically it tries to detect where that like all the stuff would be from that. Ignore the live link animation points, but basically you've got like the eyes, you've got like the cheek, the forehead. It separates it into different sections so
this
that
stream was made possible by viewers like you. Thank you.
Well, I will wait until after the ads, but I'll finish explaining after ads. Yeah, it's basically sections it off and imports into MetaHuman like that. Yeah, as I was saying before the ads, thank you for anyone who got caught by ads. You've not missed anything, I promise. basically it sections it off, it sectioned off the different pieces that then when that is imported into MetaHuman, it uses that data of, like, you know, separating the face mesh into wear, and you can basically color that, you know, you put skin on it and then all those different colored sections go away. It's replaced by actual skin color, but that's just so it knows which part of your face is which. So nightclub, find where I exported the model, spotlights. Oh crap, wait a minute. No, I am gonna need to actually export it. I'm gonna need to import it as two separate models so that that part can swivel around like how I'm thinking. Silly me. Oops. I didn't. Should have thought about that. No worries. Not needing the textures makes life easier. Much easier. Yeah, it definitely makes it a lot easier. Alright, so... yeah. Just do this. Re-export that, and I'm gonna grab it from the folder and bring it in. Would I suggest grab a reference image or something? I don't know. Got an ad for TennoCon. Ooh, been a while since I've heard anything about TennoCon. Then again, it's been a while since I've been addicted to Warframe. Alright, I am gonna make a blueprint for the nightclub lights. Warframe? Yeah. I started playing Warframe like 2014, 2015. So I've been playing it for about 9-ish years. But at some point, you know, I just stopped playing it as much because I realized how addicting it was, and I just, never really, you know, I like, every blue moon I go back in to be like, ooh, cool Warframe, and, main. Well, when I started playing Warframe, this was back when Loki, it was a choice of Loki, Excalibur, and... no. I think it was Volt, Excalibur, and Mag were the 3 starter Warframes that you could choose from, and I of course chose Mag, because hey, that's the first 3 letters of my name. And... that was my main for a good long while, but then I discovered Valkyrie, and I've been a Valkyrie main ever since. Been rocking Valkyrie Prime for upward of like 6 years, I want to say? 5-6 years, so... Valkyrie Prime for the win. I'm quite attached to like the cool colors I gave her too. Made her look like a blue tiger, or sorta. Okay, so I'm gonna need static mesh 1. Which is gonna be the spotlight base. And I'll add another static mesh, which will be connected to that, which will be the light itself. So, spotlight. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Why is it not showing? What? What? Why are you all the way over there? I know why. Actually, that's dumb. That was dumb of me. I always forget sometimes. Okay. This is why. You see how far from the center it is? Let me just I don't know how I would actually no, hold on. Against my better judgment, yeah. I'm gonna make these one combined mesh and then separate it once I've reset it to the origin. So place back up, and I'm gonna grab this and join it, and then snap it to 0. Then that'll be that, and then let me grab this, and I'm gonna select that. It's gonna be spotlight. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, so this, it should now, yep, snap to the center. Cool, that was what I wanted. Where's it at? Ah, there it is. That's what I wanted. Okay, so it's now snapped to center. Let me see. Spotlight itself is actually going to need 2 material slots on it, so I'll have to set that in Blender before I re-import it again. And base can just be the regular matte black I've been using, so like that. And okay, let me actually just set these real quick. Now if I grab this, add a new material, and this will be, for example, yellow. Sign. Ha 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 ha. Okay. So now that has... yeah. Okay. Do that. Go in here, and I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna re-import one more time, and this should now have... yep. Okay. It's working. So, let me grab you. Actually, I could go into the meshes themselves, it'd probably be easier. Just set them organically. As you get the photo scan done? Nope, not at all, Phantom. But I'm gonna wait until my partner comes home and we'll go outside to do it. Is happening there? Alright, let me export it separately, I guess? That's strange. To be spotlight base. Nightclub underscore spotlight base. Hide this. Let me set over to geometry. And this will be just regular nightclub spotlight. So if I go in here and I click re-import with new file. I could set them to the proper source files. Like this. Import you with new file, nightclub spotlight base. Okay, so there, that fixed it. Cool, that's what I wanted. This is the body of it, right? Yep, okay. Hold on, why does it have two materials on it? You shouldn't have, you shouldn't have two material data, you should have just one. That's, oh man. Okay, well, I gotta completely clean re-import, because that's messed up. Okay, so that should that should have imported correctly now. That one only has one material data. Okay, this one has one, the other has two. Great, that's how it's supposed to be. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Leaving, time to come home. Woohoo! Då ska du jobba för mig. Let me set this to be the black. And that'll be that one, so that'll be good on that. This will be this will be the black with the base. And I'm trying to think what circuitry color I should choose. At least to test it out with. Maybe like, let me see, what are my choices? I've got pink. Yeah, I'll stick with yellow like I was for the other one. Test color. So now if I re-add these like spotlight, spotlight base, and this being spotlight. So Skoro, even though Skoro means soon, it's usually used as a buy kind of way. You can say Dosled Malko. Ah, till in a little bit. Fair enough. Dosled Malko le. Thank you for telling me. I think I've heard you say that before, but I didn't realize they were I didn't realize they couldn't be used interchangeably like that. Fair enough. Bulgarian with Mags 101. Okay, so now if I... Nope. No. No. Bad. Bad blueprint. Bad Unreal. I need the blueprint, not the mesh. Which is going to be put in a new folder because I realize I am slowly building up a library of nightclub related models. So if I grab this and this and put them in there, move here, probably gonna have to fix the dependencies, which is fine. Oh man. Let me fix up redirectors. Really? Don't have to? No? No fix up? Yeah, I knew you needed it. It did. It needed to be fixed. I know my Unreal. So now if I drag this out, why is it? Oh, I actually know why. Oh yeah, no, wait a minute, I forgot. It needs, what was it? 14, yeah, 14 degree angle on the x-axis. So let me grab 14? 14. Fairly exact, but like that. Huh. That's not supposed to be rotating like that. Yikes. Alright, time for another re-import. So let me... and both of these, I'll rotate the X. 14. Nope, individually. So hide this. This will be the spotlights. And this will be the spotlight base. Okay, so that should be at the right angle to mesh properly with the faces of the ring that it will be set upon. Meeting time back in forever from now. Sorry, Perseus. Enjoy your meetings. I hope they are over quickly. Alright, I hope they're productive. So, Midnight Club, re-import, and re-import. Cool, so I don't even need to do any work on that. Except for that. Betting things will still be not where you need them. Yeah. Telling the future with that, Geo. It's still rotating around the wrong origin point, and I think I know why that is. Man, I just gotta drag this to 0 and just, yeah. Have to drag it forward on its own. Keep it at 0, 0 for the export. So if I re-import that again, which, see, now I need to bring it forward. And down. This is complicated. I'm doing this the wrong way. Okay, I get it. So, undo the rotation. Hide that. Bring that to 0. Like that. Export it like that. Hide that. Grab the spotlight base again. Export the base. Like that. It's best to 0 position everything with no rotation. Yeah, I know. I know. What? Oh, got it. Blink for a second. I thought I did something wrong. Then assemble in Unreal? Yeah, I know. How much forward is it? That much? Is it that much? It was 0.5. I think. Yeah, I'm not sure. Actually looks right though, I think. Sure. Well, I mean, I'll play around with it. I'll make it fit, because I had it placed in a way that it wouldn't, like, collide with the base it was stored in, you know, sitting in, but that makes sense. So if I rotate this, does it collide with the thing? It doesn't. Also, it's still not rotating the right way. Blender crashed. That's fun. Man, why did Blender crash? I love my computer. I need to make the origin point of the spotlight the back panel so that it rotates. No, where would it rotate from? It'd rotate from this edge. Okay. I get it. A Blender boy. Yeah, it crashes sometimes. Such is my computer, unfortunately. Maybe it would actually be these faces. Okay, so now I need to bring it back a little bit more. That looks more right. Okay, that looks better. And so if I, that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, okay. Oh, well, it's not gonna turn that far. That's fine. I don't need it to turn that far. Haha, I got it. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. Cool. Cool bits. So, then what I could do is I can rotate the spotlight itself, the blueprint. When I drag it into the thing, I can align it and have it. Man, I still want to know. I'm still not sure why it's not arraying around a curve. Because I would love to like have the whole ring of them, but making Lego here? No, Phantom? Why? Oh. Is it because of this looks like a Lego hand? It's not supposed to be Lego. It's just kind of getting the shape and then I'll add details later on, but just kind of trying to figure out how I want it to look, and then I'll add some extra details at some other point. So, let me grab the blueprint. Blueprint there. It would need to be... Which one did I make it? Did I model it on? Modeled it on this one. Okay. There's a piece which looks like this. I didn't know that. I don't normally mess with Lego, so I wouldn't have known. So we're looking for the part that's exactly the negative Y edge on the left. So let me see. Negative. I grab this. So negative Y. Negative Y. Okay, so it's this face. You guys can't see my cursor. Oh, you can actually. It's this face. Aha! Haha, that's okay. Getting somewhere. So now is when I would rotate it to X 14 degrees. Ah, there we go! Haha! Yes! Okay. So I need to rotate a little bit on... Ah! 5 degrees. There we go. That's the light. Ha! Still need to add the actual light part. But as far as that, it's good to go. That'll be how it is. Although I might actually make... Can I make it a little bit bigger? How much bigger? Okay, maybe not that big. Hmm, 1.5 seems good. So if I hide that and I... This... Go down here. Can I size these both up by 1.5? Okay, and this will be the base. Spotlight base. And this will be spotlight. I bought Lego once. My family has never financially recovered from that. Really? Lego is expensive. They like come with a bunch of pieces, and if you lose a piece, you gotta buy like a replacement pack that comes with more pieces than you need. Yeah, it's not fun. Meshes. Re-import. Re-import. Yep, so these are gonna need to be sized down like that. Cool. That's good. Okay. Cool. Close that for now.
Teresa says beer and greet done. Thanks
Yo.
for having such a great community, Mags.
Oh,
we all
no,
agreed that you
Teresa.
were stinky and that you lost the game.
Yeah, okay. You know what? I'll take that. At least I'm glad to know that you guys had a good time, you know? I'll take that L as long as you guys had a good time, and I hope it goes well in the game jam, you know? I'll wear that with pride because at least you got something out of it. So I'll sacrifice my pride for that. And I think this is good. Okay, so placement's good, scale is good. Now I can add the actual light onto it, which ironically enough would be a spotlight. No, you're wholesome. Now I feel bad. No, don't feel bad. Don't. Teresa, I'm glad that I could have this community for you that you actually were able to meet really cool people in. That was one of my goals with you know, having streaming happening. You know, I wanted to stream and you know, just like be a cool place that people could just hang out and chill. And I have to write down the color values of my circuitry at some point, because the color values of the circuitry that I got the color values from Tron Run, like Tron Rerun, the game, and then I modified them to fit the rendering system of Unreal, and now they're different color values. So I'm gonna have to, at some point, I'm gonna have to overwrite the old color values with what they actually are for the proper color palette. I'm so sorry. No, don't worry. Don't worry, Teresa. No worries. No worries. I don't mind. Just remember, if you lost the game, so did they. Ha! That's true. You think about the game, they lost the game. If you were thinking about me losing the game, then you yourselves lost the game, and Teresa. All four of you. All four of you. You heathens, whoever you may be. Alright, circuitry's in here. Let me grab the yellow. Color value is in here. We got ads about a minute. I will pause for ads so nobody misses anything. As Unreal hopefully does not crash. Thank you for reminding me, Dragon.
This stream was made possible by viewers like you.
Wow,
Thank you.
really? Ads hit before I was even able to open the material? That's not good. My computer may be, my computer might be choking. Betsy running slow again. You're welcome, dear. Oh, you're so sweet. No worries. Welcome back, Dragon. Oh man. That's fun. This is fine. This I should be used to this by now. Doesn't mean it doesn't annoy me, but hey, you know, this is fine. No, that wasn't Blender that time. That was Unreal Engine. Oh man. Had a weird underwater vending machine for airheads? What? Man, Airheads is one of the only companies that still have commercials that are weird and fun. Like, still got that 90s flair to them. Love it. Yeah, no worries, Gallo. I'll boot it back up. I wasn't doing anything major. Oh my god, wait, did I save the blueprint? Oh my god. I'm suddenly worried. I actually don't know if I saved the blueprint. I think I did, but I'm not sure. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I didn't do that much to it. It's fine. It's fine. The candy, they dumped a machine in the swimming pool and you do a flip or something and get a treat or some such was weird. Sounds like Airheads. Sounds like old Airheads commercial. I love that. I mean, I say old, but Airheads have always had this like 90s weird sort of silly humor to them. I love that they haven't lost that despite society changing as it has. Man, I forget how much that, how long Unreal Engine takes to start back up. See, this is why I do it before I start streaming, not during, because it takes a hot minute for it to boot up, so I usually have it ready by the time I start streaming, but if it crashes, I have to wait for it to come back alive. Society's gone wonkers, that's for sure. It sure has gone bonkers. Society's out of whack. Society is whack nowadays. I don't know. It is certainly different than it has been in the, you know, I miss like you know, 90s was a lot more free, you know, people could say what they wanted without somebody getting offended. Now you can't say anything without somebody being like, oh, that offends me. I'm like, what? How? Like, I don't get it. It's just people, you know, too many sensitive snowflakes nowadays. Take a joke. Don't be pushing yourself in other people's business. Let people live their lives how they want to live it. Let people love who they want to love. That's oh, you know, enough said. I'm used to crashes. Exactly. Yeah. 90%. Come on, Unreal. I want to at least finish what I was doing for my... I mean, I've got 2 more hours of work, so... Preach it, sister. Yeah. I mean, I'm a patient person. You know, I don't mind waiting, but I feel bad for making the people wait, you know, just staring at a loading screen for... give or take 5 minutes, so... I mean, I don't mind waiting, but I hate making you guys wait. I feel bad for it. You know, I feel guilty, so... Not a big D, I guess. 93%, 94, post-load. Come on, Unreal. Fidget Cube's gotten all dusty. Let's see how much progress I lost. I think I saved that blueprint, but I might not have. Two asset editors. Okay, we're in the right position. I mean, yeah, that's okay. I didn't lose I didn't lose progress. Haha! Yay! Okay. And this is the actual spotlight. Yo, I did save! Yes! Okay, didn't lose any progress. Awesome sauce. Because all I was doing was just, all I was doing was trying to open up this material just so I could grab this. All I needed was this. And then I was gonna close again. Simple as that. Why does Unreal make it so hard? I don't know. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hell yeah. Hibernalo, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So, if I compile and save this, now it should actually be showing light? Why is it not? Why are you not showing light? Is it the intensity? Is it the cone angle? I should probably actually club spotlights don't have that much of a, yeah, more like that. Like a 20? Yeah. That feels more accurate. Actually gonna adjust the inner cone angle as what? Oh, that's not what I thought that was. Oops. Source radius? No. Soft? No. Source length? I don't think that matters. Huh. Could it be because it's technically inside of the mesh? If I bring it out of the mesh, does it then work? Nope. Why? What the heck? That's so weird. It is visible, it's not hidden. Resistance, tick, I don't need that. Light function, I don't think that matters. It shouldn't. I don't think I need a material on it, but ray tracing, no. Light profiles, not. Tags, cooking, events. Weird. Performance, no. Light mass, eh. Why is it not showing? That is bizarre. Is it because the thing itself is? No, that shouldn't matter either. Why are you not showing? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with any of that. Rendering is fine. Should I turn up the intensity? Nope. That did not change a thing. Like this yellow. Can I attach it to that? Attenuation radius, is that what it is? No, it was not. Got it. Why are you not showing? If I go in game to the show? No, it doesn't. Why? That's so bizarre.
Temptic404 says I have returned.
Welcome
Oh
back,
boy,
Temptic.
This was interesting.